Sup! Welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'll be showing you an easy recipe for chocolate banana chia pudding. This is a naturally high protein and high fiber recipe. It's perfect for breakfast or a light snack at any time of the day. You only need these ingredients. First, just half a tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, half a cup of any kind of plant-based milk that you like. I'm using my homemade soy milk, which I will never stop shilling at any opportunity. Also because it's really good. 1 small banana, half a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon chocolate chips. And that's literally all you need. So super simple recipe, but very tasty. Let's start off by slicing our banana. Take a small half of it and keep this on the side. And then the other half, just slice into thin coins, about ½ inch thick. Once that's all prepped, take a little 1 cup mason jar. Start by adding your chia seed and your cocoa powder. Mix these two together very well. What you want to do at this step is to try to get rid of all the lumps in the cocoa powder. Next step is to add our banana and our maple syrup. So take this half of the banana that you didn't slice up and just add it right to the mason jar. By the way, if you don't have a mason jar, feel free to use a small bowl or some other kind of container. What you want to do is roughly mash up the banana. And the easiest way to do this is just to start pressing it against the walls of the jar. The more ripe your banana, the easier this will be. Now this is looking nice and mashed. It's time to go in with our maple syrup. Give that a good mix. Now once this mixture is all nice and thoroughly combined, there shouldn't be any dry looking spots of cocoa powder or chia seeds. It's time to add our milk. Now this step is pretty important and it is literally just to stir everything together, but you have to make sure that you stir everything and scrape up any bits of chia seeds that are stuck to the sides or the bottom of the glass. That way there won't be any dry, unhydrated lumps of chia anywhere. Once everything is mixed up, we're gonna put on the lid and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours to overnight, or even up to 3 days. Through the power of editing, it's the next day and our chia pudding has fully firmed up. Now this pudding is nice and thick and gooey, and it's time to go in with our toppings. In goes my banana slices. And I'm gonna top it all off with a good spoonful of chocolate chips.